Today we are focusing on a market segment that up until now we have not tackled in a comprehensive and organized manner. New tiles for outdoor spaces had to be included in all Imola's best-selling collections, as it is a contemporary and multi-specialist brand that satisfies all requirements in terms of both style and practicality. And when we talk about outdoor spaces, whether that means urban or private contexts, there are innumerable factors that test flooring to the limit, like continuous stress from footfall and vehicle flow, inclement weather conditions like rain and snow, and continuous changes in temperature. Thanks to all this, Imola porcelain stoneware is the ideal solution for permanent and precise outdoor installations. It offers a complete range of floor tiles and special pieces, all strictly anti-slip, R11 B+C tested. We have created a general outdoor catalogue that contains all our products designed for outdoor spaces and includes 20mm, 18mm and traditional 10mm thicknesses. This unique tool offers a clear and immediate overview of the brand's entire outdoor range for terraces, gardens, patios, garages, walkways and drives in residential, retail and executive contexts. This is why we have chosen to complete our most prestigious ranges in the stone and concrete spheres with 20mm extra thick products. So X-Rock and Stoncrete offer the classic 60x60 square and 60x120 rectangle, whereas Azuma and blocks are available in 60x60 square and an extra size 90x90 square. And in terms of special projects, like solaria, driveways, parking areas, steps, poolsides, terraces, flower beds, window boxes and facades, Imola has researched a range of 10 different special pieces to offer the widest range of applications. The square border with its polished edge comes in a 60x60 and a 90x90 format and is an ideal finishing element for a patio or terrace floor. Terrace tiles have a polished edge on the long sides of both their 60 and 120 centimeter formats, and the relative rises have a 60 and 120 centimeter long dripstone for any kind of step. Corner pieces are also available on request, as are all the special pieces you may need. The classic step with its polished edge has both a technical finish with anti-slip grooves and a straightforward step. Top is a 30x60 tile with dripstones along both its long sides for decorating low walls and turning them into handy surfaces. And to finish, there is the pool edge and pool grill for anyone wanting to create a design pool with our products. The 20mm tile offers a series of laying solutions that suit any kind of terrain and outdoor surface to guarantee the highest level of installation versatility. It is easy and quick to install, no splitting or breakages, reusable. This is ideal for anyone seeking a laying system that can protect a grass surface and allow it to be enjoyed without ruining it with heavy weights or footfall. It is particularly suitable for residential and public area walkways. This allows a floor to be created that can be walked on immediately without having to lay a screed first or use tile adhesives or mortars. The advantage of laying on sand or gravel is that it does not change the way the terrain drains, as, thanks to the space between the tiles, any rainwater will flow into the groundwater. This is the ideal laying system for covering outdoor vehicle access areas, car parks and garage ramps, as it is a surface that is laid on a screed with a tile adhesive, so it is highly resistant in terms of both dynamic and focused loads. Outdoor raised floors are particularly suitable for creating terraces or walkways in external environments. The unique characteristics of this system satisfy the strictest legal standards in terms of safety, ecology, and performance. But it doesn't finish here. We are so used to seeing benches, traffic lights, road signs, flower beds, and lampposts that often we don't pay enough attention to them and many other elements of street furniture that help create the face of our cities. If chosen with care, though, even pavements can play an important role in animating harmonious compositions that improve the aesthetics and functional aspects of open-air locations. Imola has therefore introduced an exclusive series designed for everything concerning street furniture, such as pavements, driveways, courtyards, green areas, and residential zones with vehicle access. This special 18mm thick version has been specifically designed in a combination of small formats that offer both easy maintenance and different laying patterns.
Garantendo nel contempo una facile manutenzione e consentendo differenti schemi di posa.
The 18mm tile needs to be laid on a traditional screed, as this guarantees a stable solution that will not change over time and is resistant to loads and adverse weather conditions. It is a new proposal that unites style with mechanical properties and can be combined harmoniously with other elements to create urban furniture in a truly contemporary style. Stone is the creative source we started from. This is why the product has a deliberately irregular and animated texture that is just like it is in nature, but also extremely easy to lay. In fact, this tile has irregular upper edges, but perfectly regular lower ones, so it can be laid in a traditional manner using common spacers. The formats selected are 20 by 20 and 20 by 30, with an 18mm thickness. They are modular too, which amplifies the number of laying patterns as the formats can be mixed together. We looked for the types of stone that are used most frequently in public and private street furniture solutions. Here is a variety of Piacentina stone that stands out for its colors that range from warm grey to beige and greige, with distinctive white surface veining. There are also two versions of quartzite, classic white or clear quartzite, that has a wealth of veins ranging from beige to grey, and the more exclusive grey quartzite that has less veins but stands out nevertheless for its background shades that offer a variety of shades of grey. The line is completed with Porfido mix, which combines traditional reddish tones with a range of colours, from beige to grey. All these products have a high level of variability, are absolutely faithful to different reference models, in that over 50 different faces can be identified for each product and format. They have been specifically designed to offer both graphic variability and a carefully amalgamated chromatic impact. The range is further characterized for each color by two glued mosaic tiles in a 35.5 by 42 herringbone format and a 6-piece 29.6 by 37.6 shutter format. In the TRAIL18 catalogue, you can view examples that are absolutely faithful to the applications these products may be used for. From a seafront to a square, a road to a town centre, and a swimming pool, right up to the drive in front of a private house. The contexts are endless. You can find a number of indications and suggestions for laying tiles in large areas and drives, in ways that will bring out the best in the context in question. The range is completed with special specific pieces, like L elements, that complete both 20 by 20 and 20 by 30 formats, along with their relative 20 by 20 corners for closed stairways, or covering small steps and square borders with a dripstone that are used to create stylish open stairways. Edge covers are also available on request, and can be made to size too. A byword for high-tech performance, thanks to their durability, mechanical properties, frost resistance and zero absorption. All these products are easy to clean, solid and eco-sustainable, with a dynamic modern style, and available in a vast and diverse range of styles, colors and shapes. And last but not least, all these products are ready in our warehouses.